Oh no. Oh Lord. That means from 2022.
Nobody get that guy.
His name's Heatwave. Unless you're talking about the guy on the volcano over there. Somebody get Heatwave. I don't know what his name is. He got him. He got him. He got him. He got him. Wait. Wait for him to come. He died. He died. And he's still coming after us.
He's still coming up.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
Oh, he's gone.
No.
I'm going up here. Yep, I'm gone.
Where are we going?
Okay, guys, let's go get plasma.